Hello dear viewers, I am Dr. Ashwin, a dentist from Bengaluru. Save the Tooth campaign is a campaign on oral health awareness to increase the awareness about dentistry and also to spread the information regarding oral health among the common public. This has been taken up by Dentist Channel Online and various dentists across the country are participating in this campaign. So as part of this campaign, I am here to speak on the topic grafts. So why are grafts used in dentistry or in dental treatment? So graft in dental treatment can be of two types. It can be used to replace the soft tissues like gum or other soft tissues, or also it can be to replace the lost bone structures. So graft is basically used to replace a lost structure or missing structure. It can be soft tissue, like gum is a soft tissue. I am just giving an example, that is gum is a soft tissue, or it can be to replace the jaw bones or part of jaw bone where there can be loss of bone due to various reasons. So one of the instances where grafting is used is during dental implants. So when you lose a tooth or tooth structure, so that particular bone will resolve if that area is not used for a long time. So in such cases, in order to place dental implants are solely based on the support from jaw bones. So in case there is deficiency of jaw bone in that area, so the dentist will then prefer to graft that area. So grafting can be of various types. Graft can be obtained from one's own body, like the bone can be taken from any other part of the mouth or other parts of the body, or graft can also be synthetic, that is, it can be synthetically or artificial bone particles that can be obtained from various manufacturers. So that is the use of bone grafts to fill the jaw defects or defects in the jaw bones where bone structure is missing or bone structure is less when it is required in a sufficient quantity for some of the treatments, as I mentioned about dental implants. Then coming to soft tissue grafts. Soft tissue grafts are used when there will be any deficiency in the gum tissues. Sometimes gum tissues won't be there in a level that they are supposed to be, because there is a gum line which is normally present. So in case if the gum line is receding down due to any gum diseases, so in such case, to restore the gum tissue, to restore the thickness of the gum tissue, or to restore the level of gum tissues, then again grafting can be done for gum tissues as well. So even for that, there are naturally obtained graft from one's own mouth or from other parts of the mouth. For example, sometimes it is taken from the palate, and sometimes there are some of the synthetic substitutes for these kind of soft tissue grafts as well. So that is why grafts in dentistry is basically used to replace the missing structure. It can be bone or it can be soft tissue. So there are various types of grafts, as I mentioned. It can be obtained from one's own body, or there can be synthetic grafts. So this is all about grafts in brief. So for more information, you can always follow the website savethetooth.in, and there are lots of information on various dental health topics. Thank you.